Here is the Pixel tablet pen that was apparently designed for the Pixel tablets, but never released, quote unquote. I was able to get my hands on one off of Amazon, so let's unbox it, shall we? All right, so here it is. Got the designed by Google and Google's address. There's a Google logo at the top of the pen, a little USB-C port right there for charging, I assume. And then the pen itself is pretty light. I wouldn't say it feels particularly premium. It's made out of plastic with a soft touch. Let's see if it has any charge and try it out on my Pixel tablet. Ah, it does. Wow, okay. Does it have palm rejection? Looks like it does have palm rejection. Right off the bat, I would say the pen is pretty responsive and it has pretty good palm rejection, surprisingly. Oh, there's a button. Does it do anything? Can I erase? No. So there's a button, but it doesn't seem to do anything. Weird. So the pen is pretty responsive. I do like it. I think I'll be using it for note-taking. It has nice palm rejection, and I think this is definitely a viable stylus if you have a Pixel tablet. It's USI 2.0 compatible, so I think it'll work with like most tablets if you have an Android tablet. So yeah, if you want to pick one up, I'll put the link in the description. Unclear if it's an official pen by Google, but I like it. It's pretty cool. I wouldn't say it's the most premium feeling pen. Like, I've held the Apple pen before. I think that one feels a little bit more premium, but it feels very comfortable in the hand for sure. I do like this flat edge that they included. That just makes it easier to hold onto the pen. Yeah, this is great. But yeah, that is my initial unboxing and look at the Pixel tablet pen. If you'd like to pick one up, I'll put the link in the description, and consider giving the video a like and subscribing if you're new here. My name is Angel, the Google Pixel guy. I cover the Google Pixel ecosystem and would love to serve you in the future. So thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Angel, the Google Pixel guy. You take care now. Bye-bye.